Today, we're diving into the topic of sea moss in this video, shedding light on what it is, its wide-ranging health benefits, and, certainly not to be missed, its scientifically validated anti-cancer qualities. What is sea moss? Sea moss, also known as Irish moss, is a red seaweed commonly found in the Atlantic Ocean. It is known for its gelatinous texture and its ability to provide many health benefits to those who consume it. You can use sea moss in a variety of ways. You can often use it as a thickening agent in your soups, stews, and sauces to enhance their texture and nutritional value. If you want to boost your beverage's nutrition, simply add sea moss to your smoothies, juices, or other drinks. Plus, you can apply sea moss gel topically to your skin to provide soothing and hydrating benefits for dry, irritated skin. What are the health benefits of sea moss? Sea moss has been shown to have many health benefits, including boosting the immune system. Sea moss is rich in antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and protect against illness and disease. Promoting healthy skin. Sea moss gel contains many vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for the skin, including vitamins A, E, and K, as well as iodine and sulfur. Supporting thyroid health. Sea moss is a good source of iodine, which is important for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland. What makes sea moss a cancer-fighting food? Sea moss contains several compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These include fucoidan, which has been shown to have potent anti-tumor effects. Fucoidan can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, and it can also boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. A 2023 study stated, fucoidans, with their complex anti-angiogenic profile, may represent valuable candidates in combination with conventional anti-cancer strategies to counteract cancer development. In addition to fucoidan, sea moss also contains other compounds like beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all antioxidants that can help protect against cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. If you're curious about holistic approaches to wellness, go ahead and tap the link in the show notes to participate in our free anti-cancer workshop. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, there are 99 more life-changing anti-cancer food videos waiting for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the most crucial wellness-related trends.